In the 5th episode of Demaking of a Beast, we are taking a look at the very first day of Beast Mode, as the participants arrive and have their weight documented. On the first day, here's Archer arriving and realizing that she has to become one with nature.
Beast Mode? It's not about to swim pool? What are we supposed to do? Pee in the grass?
You never peed in the grass before?
Yeah. Not in a long, long time though.
Man, you probably peed in the grass yesterday.
I have not peed in the grass since I was a kid.
Man, well, welcome
Okay,
back
I
to
wasn't
child.
really a kid. I was like late teens.
Welcome back to childhood.
2 pounds is the 2 pounds you're supposed to lose. That game.
2 pounds that are on that scale are from all of the water that I drank today. And it's the end of the day. That weight was taken in the middle of the afternoon. Now that I've eaten 6 times today, I ate 5 times already. I did. I got my Tupperware.
They don't feel nothing.
As Eddie arrives, he is captured changing his work clothes.
Really? Look, you know I don't mind. So. I don't mind. I came early so let me get mine out the way.
Put this on camera. I have a legitimate knee injury now.
As Archer returns from her car with her Beast Mode gear, Eddie proceeds to tell her about the conversation where he explains to his doctor that he has to take Beast Mode.
He said, "What do you mean you have to?" I said, "Well, that's what I have to take it." He was like, "Well, it can get worse." I was like, "Well, what can I do to prevent it?" He's like, "Get you a knee brace, stretch," which I don't do, and ice it, and just take Advil. So that's all I can do. So I'm just letting you know right now.
But you're going to be in the back of the line.
I'm gonna work through it. That's all I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna give up.
Now Archie came up here talking about her side.
Everybody walking up here with something.
Talking about their injuries.
Right.
I'm hurt.
Meanwhile, 2 participants who were out of town during registration were instructed to arrive an hour before class to complete their registration process. Dee has discontinued this practice since then.
Why Tracy's 4 minutes late?
Good morning.
Gonna get us out.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. Thank you, Mr. D.
Why you 4 minutes late?
I so appreciate you. I so appreciate you. Thank you. Come on.
You still right here.
Somehow Saturday and today I gained 3 pounds.
No.
I think it's just all water.
Water weight, yeah. That's all. But don't worry, you get ready. You gonna blow through that. Don't even worry about that. Please, you gonna blow through that. That's something I don't really worry about. Is trying to lose my 2 pounds. That's what happened.
You see, you're talking about it.
We'll get that 2 pounds off.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get it.
But y'all know I'm going to act a donkey on Monday.
Yep. See the kids come in heavy. Come in heavy. Come in heavy. That's why I ain't even go last one. See, you come in heavy, then where you just work real hard and get it all. You can't try to come in here fit, then think you're gonna lose it. You're gonna be real stank.
Yeah, that's why I was like, I'll take it.
Come in here as heavy as you can, then you can burn right back off. Okay.
Where in Toria she late? I said an hour. Ahead of time. You was 4 minutes late.
Impossible. It's
I know how you feel about that.
You supposed to be there at 5:30.
Daddy. Yes, sir.
Today?
What?
Today?
What? on, man. This is the first day.
Week 5.
Oh damn! Come on. Right? How we gonna start off like that? That don't even make no sense.
I told y'all to go to Beast Mode Woman.
Man, I seen them doing crab walks and stuff. I said, oh.
And Tori about to get y'all in trouble.
No. What time is it?
It's not even 6 o'clock.
She was supposed to be here at 5:30.
5:30. She's supposed to be out.
Yeah, how she home?
What you doing with that watch on?
I don't have a watch on mine. Look at it.
These Beast Mode participants are not allowed to wear Fitbits or watches during their workout.
See, nothing but dots. I have nothing on mine.
I had that one too.
That was nice, man.
How you doing?
Okay, well, all right, I'll put it up.
Y'all want to miss y'all first workout today?
No.
Somebody show up late. We just not gonna work out.
Nah, we ain't doing that. I ain't paying no
Exactly.
D is very anal about being on time. Tardiness will result in the entire group receiving a special treat.
Kill it. I'm a killer. I ain't even worried about it. Get that.
I gonna see Eddie Owens next week.
Right, with my big ass claw, right. Okay, my knee gonna fly hurt and that gonna be it. Did I be looking stupid?
Eddie gonna run for 5 hours to make sure you don't lose 2 or 3 times.
Hello.
If you weighed in,
She's scared.
if you have weighed in,
Yeah, we know
you need everything.
Everything. What we need?
That's my top.
Oh, okay. That's how.
You had one last year. You got yourself like a tent going on and stuff. Cheers.
Now wait.
Oh, this is nice.
I mean, I ate something already, but I want to eat more. No, my scale at home said 164.
Well, your scale ain't gonna judge whether or not you gonna owe me next week.
So we gotta lose 4 pounds then. That's what you said?
All I'm saying is don't owe me. I want all weigh-ins done before 6:30. Where you come with that little Michael Jackson beat vest from?
Don't put the vest on.
Yeah, I said, when you get your little Michael Jackson beat vest, why you ain't order the big vest?
This is a hyper vest.
I know, why you ain't order the big one?
I like the way this one looks better.
And you bought extra weight, you just threw it in the back of it.
Yeah, that's what it said to do, D.
The other vest is made for the smaller and extra weights.
Yeah, that's that why they don't fit right?
Yes.
Well, you know I'm not gonna buy another one.
I'm trying to save $2.
No,
All
it
that money.
wasn't. This one looks so much better. This is cute to me. I don't like that gray one. Doesn't you think this one looks better than the gray one?
No. Look like you about to do a video from
That's what I want to look like.
Michael Jackson.
That's fine. I like this one.
Which one? Oh, so you saying Cerritos don't look good? This is the same vest I'm talking about.
Well, her size is smaller. I didn't get one like Eddie's.
So they all fit.
Oh, I was lost. I kept missing the turn. This is my first time over here.
You supposed to have 5:30.
I'm good.
5:30. Yeah, you put no time. I said early.
Can I leave the bathroom open sometimes?
Somebody want to read my email to me?
Yeah, send it over here.
And Tori.
Please get on that scale and get your bag before you start. I was lost. I promise you.
You was supposed to be at 5:30.
Got you. Go ahead, get it, girl. Go on.
Take that off.
You don't have to
You can take that off.
My brother said I put it in his zip. He said about this 50. Because my brother bought me one for my birthday. It's coming in the mail.
Thank you.
Going towards downtown theater. I don't know the name.
New declaration. No one out here is allowed to go a year without coming You know you're gonna die today, right? Y'all think y'all can skip warm up and just come on out here and think it's gonna be all good, huh? Just wait, I got some plans for y'all today.
As Soup, aka Supervisor, Antoria, Eddie, Stacy, Crystal, Reese, Tracy, Clarissa, Mahogany, T, and Roni are off to the first workout. At the end of the class, Eddie flashes the bird. He's not happy after his first torturous beast mode workout.
The workout is not over with. 5 minutes of love. After your 5 minutes of love, we stretch.
Archer and T talk about their secret storage place for their Fitbits, since they are banned from wearing them during the workouts. Seems like their sports bras are concealing more than just double D's.
Let T go first.
Not as bad as I thought it was going to be because I have not really worked out like this since last summer. But I think I pushed myself a little bit. And I made sure that I ate the right carbs before the workout. The only thing I'm missing is sleep. I'm going to get that tonight.
Day one. It was pretty bad, actually. I had a slew of things happening. Super slow on everything. I was lightheaded. I thought I would throw up. Hell, I thought I was gonna shit at one point, but I didn't want to. I just kept pushing.
On my stuff. Shit on the page. I gotta wear this tomorrow.
Hey, better squeeze some cheeks.
Break may be loose.
Round hogging like that.
So it was pretty intense. I was last the entire time, which is pretty horrible considering how strong I actually am. So I'm hoping that tomorrow will be a better day. I do know that I'm going back tonight to revise my food plan or my meal plan because I don't have nearly as much carbs or to have a whole lot of empty calories, let's just say that, in my meal plan. So I'm going to have to go fix that.
My turn. They can talk all this shit they want to talk. Day one was bullshit. Anytime I'm sitting up here on camera with my glasses on, y'all know something's not right. But even though I've been off for a month, I can eat everything up under the sun, you can tell. But I'm proud of myself. I know what it takes to get myself back on track. I ate my food today, I ate my carbs, so my knee held out. I was a little nervous, but day one gonna look like this. Ain't no telling what the rest of this shit gonna be like. So just gonna push through it. And Archie was so right. She was straight bullshit all day today.
Jill even gave me the side eye. She was like,
I gave it to you in my head. I said next week she's gonna be in front of everybody.
Day one. Let Jill talk me into the 10 pounds.
You did good.
Which was hell. but I did it. There's a lot of mental stuff going on. I got through it. I don't know what else to say. I'm tired. And I was questioning, will I be back tomorrow?
I said if we went up that mountain one more time.
Oh God.
I said I was
Oh God.
Today.
I might have rolled down that joint.
I had to call out for Jesus on that one. Ooh, I thought I was about to die.
The making of the beast, day one.
Day one.
I won't get yelled at. Wait, let me not make promises.
I'm gonna try to keep up my endurance so that to pass myself. We'll see.
Video don't lie.
I got faith in you. You did good.
Thank you.
Did I tell you Archie was bullshit today? Did I mention that? Even the new girls beat her ass today.
One more time. They did.
Fall over.
Man, I did a terrible workout. I feel embarrassed. No, I don't. Damn it.
Archie just got finished working out with us.
I should have been better.
Right. Even the new girls that ain't even worked out in a year came and passed Archie.
Oh, hell no.
Okay? Yeah.
I'm telling y'all, I didn't eat enough carbs.
Yeah, that make a difference. It does make a difference.
Yeah, it
Sleep
does. It'll change
and
your
your
whole
carbs.
My whole body was about to shut down.
Well, you said you was about to shit on me.
I was like, not walking. We are.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use my arms to wash my body tonight.
Tomorrow you may not.
Good night.
See you later.